me and follow me. Yeah, you see it feeling time me up. You see it feeling time me a pussy up everybody. And yesterday me go there with a prayer for heart to call them for let me in. And Brooke, you know what she tell somebody say? You know what she tell Kenneth, leave me. You know when me and Brooke and Jeremy and them have, eh? When me and Brooke and Jeremy and them have. And that she say, so me never know say me and Brooke them and Jeremy have no. Me and them have something when time me say them not letting me in. Yeah. 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 I don't feel how I feel. I'm react to my emotion. And argument done. Bad to bad. Get over it, girl. Yup. As some did feel to belong. Everybody this me there over me a cry. Yeah. And you never pay me no mind. I stand up out there and call the police. Yeah, feel the hands. So what do you? Me no response. Me no blood clot response. Just like that. After all of the corrosives and all of the internet, and she said me and her friendship I got break. Up there she make the boy sleep last night. Yeah. So what I mean by no go suck on the woman and tell me nothing. Yeah. All when she said me with friendship I got break, she not care. Just the people them say she want the other another out she want. Yeah. What you mean by don't come tell the people me boy and I never take Zar. Me know there Jamaica me in a poor relationship and have my man name for my Annie take Andre. What you mean by? What you mean by? What you want though? What you mean by? What you mean by? Sure. Yeah. Me never click no live. Me never click no live on class. Me click the live and talk about the situation. And then she talk and shit and I feel like for writing on my story. I'm a bust up Bailey Batty on my story and that me do. That me do. Yup. And I can't believe with the set of girls them. I can't believe how me and a friend and I always a watch. True. Whether I'm a son or my man, my pitney brought my saving pan, you should have called me and asked me when I put him out. You see my man come up there, come tell you why you see my man come up there, come tell me put him out, you should have taken my man, you should have called your son, you should have called your daughter. Anyway it goes. So man or son, me still have a point. Yeah. Yup. Yeah.